పెట్టండి రూపాయలు ఎక్కడున్నారు కింద కింద అక్కడ ఒక బోర్డు పెట్టుంది చూడండి ఏకల్ పైన మెట్ల దగ్గర ఇస్తున్నారు నాకు వచ్చేదానికి ఇప్పుడు కుదరదు మీరు వచ్చేసేయండి మనం తర్వాత చూసుకుందాం టేబుల్ మీద ప్యాకెట్ యా
हेलो अच्छा रहा, हाँ, मजा हमको सारू હતું સ્મોકીમાં वैसे बस में साथ में तो भी आए हुए मजा આવી ગઈ 26 જણા હતા हाँ 26 जन इधर नीचे से करेंगे चंदू चंदू नीचे ही करेंगे
Namaskar. Welcome to the Ekal Show in Virginia. This is the second year we are conducting the Ekal program in Virginia area. Last year we had this in Shiva Mission. This year we have a special event. The specialty of this year's event is the artists that we are going to see. They are none other than Ekal villages. They are the beneficiaries of the Ekal schools. So you would get to know more about their background. They have come from different states and villages of India. So that is very unique. So you would truly see what Ekal is doing in the villages. So that's the specialty of this year. They have been touring the US for the past few months. And wherever they go, wherever they get the program, it's always been a huge success. I'm sure you will be delighted here seeing the program. So we'll start our program with Deep Curriculum by Agarwal ji, Murari Agarwal ji and Sangeet Agarwal ji, followed by introduction to our artists and all. Agarwal ji, please.
Oh
invite Sri N.P. Amariji. Amariji has been an Ekal volunteer with Ekal Abhiyan for about 5 years, and he has been coordinating this program. Basically, he has been with this group of artists here, taking care of all the needs and then organizing the shows, etc. He is a management consultant and is chairman for Manas School in India. So I now welcome Sri N.P. Amariji.
Thank you so much, Chandabhai. Namaste and a very warm good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's a matter of great pride, honor and privilege for me, as also for all the artists who have come with me from different tribal regions of Bharat. At the outset, we extend our sincere greetings to each one of you for coming present here this evening for motivating the tribal artists. Thank you for sparing your valuable time. We also wish to convey the thanks and greetings on behalf of the founder and chief energizer of Ekal Abhiyan, Manya Shyamji Gupta, as also the chairman of our global executive board, Manya Prajapal Bhardaji, for this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, our thanks are also due to Government of India, because this Ekal tribal cultural group that consists of 10 artists, their visa and travel expenses have been sponsored by Indian Council for Cultural Relations under Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. So on behalf of Ekal America and Ekal India, we sincerely thank Government of India from this stage. I must also acknowledge the gracious presence of the Executive President of Ekal India Delhi, Manya Murari Lal Agarwala ji, and his life partner Sangeeta ji, who have travelled all the way from India exclusively for the purpose of joining Ekal artists. It's indeed a matter of great pride, privilege, and thank you for being with us. This program comes to you from the tribals whom you have been supporting all along these years. They are here for two reasons. One, to showcase the talent and potential that lies untapped in the tribal hinterlands back in my country, Bharat. And more important than that, they are here to demonstrate and showcase the change, the impact, the transformation which your $1 a day have made back in my country, Bharat. This program is pretty different. As it unfolds, you will see it. But let me first of all introduce who these people are and from where they have come here. So we will have Meet the Artist. Let me tell you, I have 4 sisters and 5 brothers with me. They represent different tribal regions. Next, the first and the senior most artist, having completed 19 long years with Ekal Abhiyan, he comes from this village Oratar in district Latehar, Jharkhand. You can see the 4 cattle on the extreme right and the house there. That is where this Ekal artist lives. These pictures were taken just 3 days before they were to fly to America. This is 2017. Next you will see his family, his wife Ramila ji there. Of course, a lot of load is shared by the women folks back in India. And both of them, they are proud parents to 2 children, a son and a daughter. तो बहुत आदर सम्मान और इज्जत के साथ आपकी तालियों के बीच मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा एकल के वरिष्ठ कलाकार और कार्यकर्ता झारखंड से भाई दिलेश्वर जी. प्लीज वेलकम हिम ऑन. The next artist, a very senior posterior one, he comes from this village Mamring in East Sikkim. You can see the house there. He has also completed 16 long years with Ekal India already. Next you will see his family, the wife there in the kitchen, that is the typical kitchen where they still have the firewood burning. That's why the son is making the firewood. And they have two school-going daughters. So ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome on stage amidst your celebrations and clappings, Bhai Tilak Chandra from Sikkim. Next, another very senior volunteer. He has completed 16 long years. Can we have the next slide, please? You can see this is the front view of the house where he lives in with his family. This is village Pakrar in district Latehar, Jharkhand. You will see next his family, of course his wife there, his mother, father, brother, and my extreme right is their daughter. They also have a son. He wasn't there when this picture was taken. So help me welcome on stage amidst thundering celebrations, Radheshyamji from Jharkhand. Thank you so very much. Another very talented, very promising, multifaceted artist and volunteer. He comes from this village called Sondamal in district Mandala, Madhya Pradesh. A lot of his talent you will see today on stage also. That is his house. Next you will see his family. Can I have the next slide, please? His wife there. They also have 3 kids. It seems they were not there, busy somewhere in the village. But we have a lot of children there. You can see the Ekal Vidyalaya running under a tree in Sondamal village. And incidentally, this artist was the first teacher who has started the Ekal Vidyalaya there. So help me welcome on stage amid celebrations, Bhai Johan Singh from Madhya Pradesh. Give him a hand. There he comes. Give him a hand. Next volunteer, he comes from village Tenki in district Latehar, Jharkhand. He's performer on the keyboard, you see him there. And next you will see an aerial view of a typical tribal village in India. That is the overview of a village, thickly populated village. And his family at the bottom, his mother, his father, his wife, and they have a 5-year young son, Hari Om. बहुत आदर और सम्मान के साथ जोरदार तालियों के बीच में मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा संदीप from Jharkhand. Thank you so very much. I told you I have 4 sisters also with me. The senior most who has completed 11 long years with Ekal Abhiyan as on date. She comes from this village Vaspila, district Kachar, Assam, and that is the house where they still live. It's a dream in the making. She lost her father when she was pretty young, 4 sisters and a brother, so she had to stand up to her mother. You will see the mother next. The brother got married, so she had a sister-in-law and the nephews. बहुत आदर सम्मान के साथ जोरदार तालियों के बीच में आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ आसाम से दीदी प्रिया चंदा संपा से. Give her a hand, give her a hand. There she comes. Thank you very much. Next sister and the artist today, she comes from this village called Bharta in district Raisen, Madhya Pradesh. That is the house in Madhya Pradesh. Next her family there, the mother in the background and the father, the nephews there. So help me welcome on stage Sumitra Didi from Madhya Pradesh. The youngest, a very talented, charming, promising volunteer and artist. She comes from the beautiful land of Himalayas. We have Himachal Pradesh there. She is the house there. This is village Bhadga in district Chamba, Himachal Pradesh. And next you will see the family. They are 4 sisters, 1 brother. Of course, the mother and father, happy family there. Let me welcome on stage amid celebration Meena Didi from Himachal Pradesh. Give her a hand. Give her a hand. Thank you so very much. The next sister, she comes from northeast India. We have beautiful tea gardens there. Can I have the next slide, please? Yes, there you see the house in the background. This is village Gela Hatinga in district Sonitpur, Assam. Next you will see there is a village temple close to her house, and you see the Gela Hatinga Ekal Vidyalaya there. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome on stage. She has completed 8 long years with us. Geetmala Didi from Assam. Thank you so very much. From that background on to America. And they have already traveled more than 55 major cities in America. And we are ready here in your Virginia, Fairfax city. Ladies and gentlemen, the first performance for this evening. It's a beautiful composition by Pandit Ravi Shankarji. A very popular one, we have heard it many times. That showcases the spirit of India, unity in diversity. And towards the end of it, we have also integrated the mission statement of Ekal Vidyalaya. So with your permission, we would like to proceed. May I? Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. Here we go.